Hi, my name is Attorney Joel Williams. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney in Atlanta, Georgia, for your personal injury case, you've come to the right place. I and my firm focus 100% of our practice on helping personal injury victims. We limit the number of cases we take so we can spend the necessary time and effort on every client's case. Some firms have a business model that minimizes the chances you'll ever meet your lawyer, or even worse, some law firms just have that talking head on billboards and commercials that you'll never meet. You know exactly who I'm talking about. We believe that as lawyers, we are in a unique position to help change our clients' lives for the better. And that means that when you hire us, you're hiring a lawyer, not a paralegal, legal assistant, or talking head. Yes, we do have legal assistants at our firm, but you will work with your lawyer in developing your case. Now, you may wonder, how do you find the best attorney in Atlanta? There are plenty of good attorneys in Atlanta that practice personal injury, but how do you know who's the best lawyer for your personal injury case? The best lawyer for you is one that you can trust. Now, how do you know if you can trust a lawyer? First, check out the lawyer's online reviews from past clients. Do they seem legit? Do they seem real? Review the lawyer's social media accounts. If he or she looks crazy on social media, steer clear. Set up a face-to-face meeting. Nothing beats a face-to-face conversation. At our firm, we never accept a case without first having a face-to-face meeting with every potential client. We still believe in the value of a handshake, and we know that in order to effectively represent you, we need to get to know one another and build a foundation of trust and friendship. Now, here are a few questions you can ask any Atlanta attorney you interview to make sure that he or she is the right fit for your case. Have you tried these types of personal injury cases before? Ask for specific examples similar to yours that the lawyer has handled in the past year. How many cases do you handle at one time? You don't need an overloaded attorney. How many cases have you tried before a jury? The best lawyers maximize the value of cases by preparing them for trial. Insurance companies often take advantage of lawyers when they know that the lawyer is not willing to take a case to trial, and that would just hurt you as the client. Will you personally handle my case? Ask the lawyer whether he or she will be the person handling your case. Sometimes lawyers will take a case and immediately refer it out to a different law firm. Make sure you know the lawyer's true intentions before you hire his or her firm. Can I have your cell phone number? The answer to this question will tell you a lot about whether any Atlanta lawyer is serious about your case. If a lawyer gives you his or her cell phone number and actually answers when you call, you know that he or she has a sincere desire to stay in touch with you about your case. Will you get me more money than other attorneys? If a lawyer answers yes to this, leave his or her office immediately and find someone else. Why? Because that response is unethical and not allowed by the state bar. No lawyer can guarantee you a favorable result, and you don't need an unethical lawyer. What problems do you foresee with my case? Any good attorney should be able to tell you that. What percentage of your cases are referrals from other lawyers? Lawyers know which lawyers are the best in their field, and they routinely refer cases to other lawyers they trust. If more than half of a lawyer's cases come from other attorneys, there is a good chance that he or she is well respected in the Atlanta legal community. Now, you may also wonder, what is my Atlanta personal injury case worth? The answer to this question depends on many different things that are unique to your personal injury case. There's no catch-all formula, but some examples of things that may influence the value of your case include: 1, the extent of your injuries; 2, whether your injuries are permanent; 3, whether you have any similar pre-existing conditions or injuries; 4, the amount of your special damages, like medical bills and lost wages; 5, whether you bear any fault in causing the event that caused your injuries; 6, the location or the county where your case will be tried; and 7, the legal abilities of your lawyer. Now, some personal injury cases in Atlanta are worth millions of dollars. Still others are worth small amounts. The most important thing is that you receive fair compensation for the damages that you suffered, and you need the right attorney for that. If you have suffered a personal injury, contact one of our Atlanta area personal injury attorneys today by calling 833-LEGAL-GA. You'll never owe us a dime for your Atlanta personal injury case unless we recover for you. And if you're unable to travel to our office, let us know. We'll come to you.